Hello friends, this is Vivek from Gadget Guide for you, and in today's video I am sharing a quick hands-on review of Motorola Moto G 3rd generation. Motorola launched the Moto G 3rd generation in India at a starting price of Rs 11,999 for the 1GB RAM with 8GB inbuilt memory, while the other variant with 2GB of RAM with 16GB inbuilt memory costs Rs 12,999. It is available exclusively on Flipkart. On the specifications front, it features 5-inch HD IPS display which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 8. The display is pretty good and I haven't found any problem with the display as of now. Although apart from the display, there is a speaker above and below it, and there is a 5 megapixel camera with range of sensors, and the navigation button are part of the display, and when you hold the smartphone in your hand, you will get a premium feel. On the right hand side, there is a power key and volume rocker key. These are of metal. At the back, there is a 13 megapixel camera with real tone flash. There is a Motorola branding. With this type of symmetric design you will find in LG devices, basically LG G2, LG G3, LG G4, and the same is with you come across that in Motorola Moto G 3rd generation. Removing the back panel gives you access to the dual SIM card slot and micro SD card slot. By using micro SD card slot, you can further increase the memory by 32 GB. It's a 4G LTE device, so you can use the 4G SIM, and it has connectivity features like 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. Tapping on notification toggle panel gives you access to few settings, as you can see that, and tapping on settings button gives you access to all the settings available on the smartphone. It runs on Android version 5.1.1, and it has inbuilt memory of 16 GB, and it is powered by 1.4 GHz quad-core 64-bit Snapdragon 410 processor, and while running multiple applications I haven't found any lag or issues. And above, just for your information, this variant has 2 GB of RAM with 16 GB inbuilt memory, and it costs Rs 12,999. Clicking on app door gives you access to all the applications available in your smartphone. Considering it the price tag of Rs 13,000, it's a pretty good device, and when you look and feel the device, it offers a premium feel. Above all, the build quality of the device is pretty good, and the textured finish at the back offers you a pretty good responsive grip, which allows you to grip the phone pretty easily, and above all, you can operate the smartphone with a single hand, and it's a pretty good smartphone considering the price tag. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.